Hello friends, welcome to SkillSecure, world's first online business education platform. My name is Ashish Singh and today's video topic is how to achieve your goal. Without wasting your time, let's get started. If you ever want to grow in life, then be in crowd of the successful people. They will make successful with their pull. The concept is significant for a person's growth, but how to implement this concept becomes a challenge for few. Anything that cannot be measured cannot be improved. Have you created your goal statement? If you ever want to achieve anything, the first golden rule is to create a goal statement and then consciously hold on to it. Implementing great things will be of no use if they are not around the goal statement, so creating the right goal statement is fundamental. Anything that is contributing to your goal statement, accept it, and anything that is not contributing to your goal statement, reject it. Create a goal statement for yourself, because without it you will not know what is favorable. Think of a dream or desire that you have and convert that into your goal statement. Define a definite date. By when do you want to achieve this goal? Be very specific and definite about your desires. So the first thing is you have to define your goal statement. Who are the 5 people you associate with? Now, in order to achieve the goal, you need the support of few people. You will always find some people supporting and inspiring you like Lord Krishna, and a few people pulling your back like Shakuni and Manthara. You are an average of 5 people you keep in your life around. It is also said that your future depends on the friends you make in present. Do sum total of the achievements of 5 people you associate with and divide it with 5. You will get the parameter of why are success. Identify 5 people with whom you associate in the present. These are people with whom why are feel influenced and take advice also. They can be a colleague, employee, customer, vendor, buyer, investor, or even a TV serial. These people should be those whose association is favorable to your goal statement. These people may or may not be great people, but may influence your future greatly. What is ritual of 60 minutes solitude? Once you have identified the people with whom you can associate in the present and people with whom you want to associate, now it is the time to create your RCMES calendar. RCMES refers to doing 1 hour, 60 minutes of learning every day in solitude. It essentially means you need to spend 1 hour every day in solitude for self-learning and growth. It will help you increase your skill as well as your will. This self-learning can happen either through watching a video, or hearing audio, or reading a book, or spending time with your mentor. RCMES is like adding fuel to your car. It will keep you moving ahead. If you are able to practice RCMES religiously for 1 year, your life will be transformed.